On 29th March 2025, I made one decision and I quietly changed the direction of my life. Before that day, I was doing what so many of us do, working hard, showing up every day, still feeling the pressure. Bills didn't stop, groceries got more expensive, and even though I was working, it still felt like it was never enough. I remember praying, God, I'm grateful, but I can't keep living like this. On 29th March 2025, I said yes, not because I had it all figured out, but because I trusted God more than my fear. I invested in my own online business, not a job, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a done-for-you digital business blueprint built for beginners. I wasn't tech-savvy. I didn't have hours of free time. I didn't quit my job. I just showed up 2 hours a day. What changed wasn't just income, it was peace. Peace knowing I had options. Peace knowing my family wouldn't always feel the pressure. Peace knowing God made a way when I took a step of faith. And the most beautiful part, this system doesn't just work for me. It's helping other families change their lives too. God doesn't always give us money from the sky. Sometimes He gives us wisdom, opportunity, and the courage, and asks us to move. If you're tired of surviving month to month, if you want to build something of your own without sacrificing your faith or family, and if you're ready to take your first step, comment ready and I'll share the same proven blueprint that changed my life starting on the 29th of March 2025. Your story can change too. All it takes is one brave yes.